aka Poor Boy from Poor Boy Racing and Fabrication. This video that I'm making, I know I don't make a lot of videos. I'm making it because of the loss of my brother, my best friend, a great human being in general. I lost him back on April 30th of this year. Me and James Jaggers, we call him Jamie. I'm making this video. It's dedicated to you. This was the project me and him was going to start, and unfortunately he passed away from unknown causes. So Jamie, this video's for you.